In Florida, we have this beautiful thing we call a withhold of adjudication. The federal government does not have this sort of thing in their criminal cases. We do in ours. And a withhold of adjudication means that the judge is not finding you guilty of the crime. You remain conviction free. That means on a felony, if you receive a withhold of adjudication on a felony, folks, you're not going to be a convicted felon. You're not going to lose your rights to possess a gun. You're not going to lose your voting rights and all the things that come with a felony conviction. A withhold keeps all that away because you haven't been convicted of a crime. There are some issues with withholds, though, and I want to talk to you about that because, first of all, if you enter a plea and you receive a withhold, sometimes later on, if you are accused of another crime, they can still hold that crime against you as though it's a prior conviction, even though it's not a prior. Number two, the federal government doesn't always recognize a withhold. And this is really important for you folks with immigration issues. When you have a federal government that doesn't care whether you were found guilty or whether you received a withhold, all they really care about are what are the facts of the case and did you enter a plea? They don't care about the result. And the result in Florida on a withhold is you weren't convicted. Unfortunately, the federal government sometimes doesn't care about that. So you want to talk to your immigration attorney about what that means for you and your immigration status, because it could wreck you even though you walk out of that courtroom and you're not convicted of anything. So withholds of adjudication are a beautiful thing, but they're complicated sometimes. Talk to your attorney about it. Make sure that everything's okay and that you can do it.